What's going on, my doggies? Yeah, you love that, don't you? Just love it. Love every minute of it. Anyways, so I'm checking this out. Oh, found this at the chili store in the Tanger outlet. Fan favorites tequila sauce. We got some Parmesan garlic. That could be good. Honey barbecue. And Asian zing. So we're gonna do up some wings tonight, and then I don't know, go for a hot tub. Let's check it out. For this, we're gonna need some good old chicken wing dings. Can't forget the Caesar salad. Maybe some buns. There she is. Good old beast of a barbecue. It's got lots of burners. I like to put hickory chips on that burner, so it gives some extra smoke. I just cleaned it. Just want to wipe it all off. Nothing on the. See, look at all that. And you think you cleaned it, eh? Yeah. All right, everybody. Let's get into her. I like the quick method. Poof. Go separate these guys. Is that one or two? Look at the size of that one. Jesus. Now, normally I'd use some tongs, but they're right there, they didn't come in to get washed. So we'll just fling around this chicken with a fork. Loves me some chicken wings. Got another sauce here. Looks pretty good. It's like a apple cinnamon sauce. We'll throw that on there. Put a little bit of that on here. Oh, it smells delicious. You can smell the apple and the cinnamon. Oh, that's amazing. That's like an apple pie barbecue sauce. Next we have here garlic parm. Parm it up. All right, let's try this out. Oh man. Wow. It's got a little kick to it too, it's nice. Yeah, it's garlic parm. I think it's gonna be my favorite. I don't know, I didn't try the other two yet. See you in a minute. Mmm, raw chicken, yummy. Next, little honey barbecue. Honey barbecue. Oh, it's smoky, tangy honey. Mmm, delicious. Yeah, doggy. Last but not least, Asian zing. Wing, wing, wing. Chicken wing dings. Let's try this one out here. The zinger. Oh, it's like a sweet chili heat with some heat. Oh, yeah. I don't think the kids will like that one. It tastes good. It's really sweet, but it's also really spicy. We'll put it on a few of them. You still watching me? Eastering my chickens. Why is the light not on? Make sure you get an even coat over it. Got to be covered. So this one's this apple cinnamon. Those are gonna be good. Alright. That one was, oh, more apple cinnamon here. Like that. Now, so here's all the flavors I got. Blazing, Carolina Reaper, Wild, Mango Habanero, Hot, Original Buffalo, Nashville Hot, Thai Curry, Jam and Jalapeno, Caribbean Jerk, Asian Zing, Orange Chicken, Spicy Garlic, Medium, Honey Barbecue, Smoky Adobo, Parmesan Garlic, Mild, Lemon Pepper, Teriyaki, Sweet Barbecue. I got some dry rubs too. Desert Heat, Buffalo, Chipotle Barbecue, Lemon Pepper, Salt and Vinegar. For anybody that cares, this is what's in them. These three at least. Look at those garlic parms. That would be the honey barbecue. Up there we got the Asian barbecue, and down here we got the apple cinnamon. Oh baby. Can't wait. All right everybody, finished product. We got the garlic parms, the apple cinnamons. Right in the center you got the Asian tinger. And what's the other one? Honey barbecue. Boom. Alright, my doggies. Let's try them out. I'm going to start with apple cinnamon. This one really smells good. Definitely smell the cinnamon and the apple. It's almost like an apple pie barbecue sauce. Well, that is subtle. Nice and sweet. And taste the cinnamon and the apple notes there. That's delicious. I give that sauce a 10 out of 10. No lies. This is good on ribs too. Freaking amazing. Alright, next we got. This one's the honey garlic. Sweet. Tangy. Hello, kitty. You want some? Yeah. I give that a 10 out of 10 too. It's really amazing. Not spicy at all. Even though we got it from the chili store. Here, cat, you want a piece?
Hey, are you ready? My boss fell asleep. Okay, can we go get some ice?
All right, let's try. That's the Asian one. Got a little kick to it. I'll have some chili peppers in there for sure. Kind of like sweet chili heat. A little more tang. That was good. That's the one I've been waiting for right here. Look cool. Garlic parm. Oh, that's cool. What a change. That's like, now it's like savory, like, almost like a, I don't know. Turkey dinner? Now you can taste your herbs, garlic, bit of parm. Oh yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10. And I'll tell you, that shit was finger licking good. The next one, my doggies. I rate all those barbecue sauces 10 out of 10. Changed my mind. The garlic's a 10. See you in the next video. Peace.